Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to pre-mix a very effective pimple cream. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe this channel, please do so. I will really appreciate it. It encourages me to upload more helpful videos for you all. So let's get into the video. So firstly guys, in a clean bowl I'm adding half of my quick clear face cream. You can also use BB Clear if you can get the original, because a lot of fake ones are out there. Guys, I'm making a very small quantity of videos to show you all how it is being done. When making a larger quantity, a larger amount of it, you just have to add up to the measurements. Okay, so next I'm adding 10 drops of my tea tree oil. After which I'm adding a pinch of my camphor powder. And I'm adding 10 drops of my lavender oil. Now I'm mixing it all into a fine paste. So guys, know that when mixing a very large quantity or amount, you use your hand mixer for it to be properly and finely mixed, okay? And again, this pimple cream, it works. Guys, when I say it works, you really need to try this pimple cream. I used to have these stubborn pimples, guys. It was really terrible. I never even thought I would ever have such kind of pimple in my life, because my face was so messy. In fact, my face was just a mess. Even going out was more like a shame to me, a thing of a shame to me, guys, until I started using this pimple cream. And not just it, I also made an organic black soap to back it up. It was mainly for a pimple organic black soap, which I will be showing you all in my next video. So be sure to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, okay, so you won't miss that video. So guys, when using this pimple cream, make sure you use it only on those areas you have the pimples. If you use it all over your face, you are only inviting more pimples on those areas, okay? This is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this helpful. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, kindly subscribe this channel, and also please don't forget to click the notification bell icon to get notified when next I upload a new video. See you all in my next video. Bye.